My name's Dominique. I'm an elite powerlifter for Team GB and I'm studying law at the Open University. I started lifting recreationally. I just wanted to get fitter, get stronger, and I ended up really enjoying it. And I decided, right, I'm going to give this a go. And if it doesn't work out, then so shall it be. And here I am 3 years later. So safe to say it's worked out for me. After British Championships, I get an email from the British head coach saying, "You've been selected for the team." And I remember being in Lidl and I see the email and honestly, I nearly screamed down the entire store because I was that excited that I'd been selected. Honestly, I was not expecting it. I struggled in school. I dealt with a lot mentally. I was going through depression and anxiety. So that made finishing my GCSEs quite difficult. I kind of gave up on education entirely. The open entry policy I thought was quite interesting. I felt discouraged going into higher education because I didn't have the right GCSEs and I didn't even finish my BTEC in college. I dropped out during my second year. So knowing that was an option kind of made me realise, well, I literally have no excuse. When I'm at the gym, I listen to the lectures on my phone, and it's really helpful if I'm in a time crunch as well, because sometimes I don't always have the time to sit down at my laptop and, put my headphones in and take notes. So I like to listen to the lectures on the go. Oh, it's massively boosted my confidence to be able to have that freedom of being able to study and work at the same time and to learn at my own pace. I feel like I personally need a bit more time to take in information sometimes and really digest it. The Open University has given me that space where I can study and I can train and work at the same time, and so it's been very valuable to have that opportunity. The idea of studying is in your brain and you can't shake it, even though you've got doubts, even though, like me, you might have had previous experiences where you've been discouraged. The fact that idea of studying is in your head is a sign that you should just go for it. I feel quite empowered, and I feel happy that I've proven myself wrong because I didn't have the best experience of education. I just kind of painted education with one brush. I didn't really, see it as something important or as something that I'd be particularly good at. The fact I've been given a second chance to prove myself wrong and to better myself and my life has been amazing. If you've got doubts, just push past it, man. You've got this.